Good morning and welcome to a viewing on Stanley Street, number 83 Stanley Street, and I'd just like to show you how close you are locality wise to the nearest shop, which is literally next door. Now from here you have a nice little front garden, and then into the property we enter into a hallway, so place to hang your coats, pop your shoes, and then you are straight into a really spacious straight through lounge area. And as you can see, it's the laminate flooring in the grey, and the grey very fashionable walls. I'm going to go from one end of the room to the other and just turn around, because you've got the fireplace on the second part of the room, whether this be your dining area or your living. A very bright room all the way through, and the stairs in the centre of the property. Straight into the kitchen, which is a fabulous little kitchen. And once again, very bright, space to put the washing machine, under counter fridge, freezer, dryer, and lots of storage. And a lovely hob and oven there. And straight into your downstairs bathroom with a three-piece suite there, all in the white. Now I'm going to take you into the garden area now, which is also very low maintenance. And you can see that this is going to be a nice little sun trap as well. Now this property would be ideal for first-time buyers or investors, because price-wise this property is on the market for £49,950. And it is a 3-bedroomed property, so what I'm going to do now is take you upstairs and show you the bedroom space, because they're all very good sizes. So you have your first bedroom here overlooking the front garden area and storage to both sides. Once again, this is on the market for £49,950. If you are interested in this property, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666. Now this is the second bedroom, once again with great storage, overlooking the back garden, and a good sized double again. Crofts on 01472 200 666 for a viewing. Ideal for first time buyers or a great investment. Very spacious property, close to Grimsby and close to Crofts, so locality wise right in the middle. Bus route, local bus route is obviously near to as well, so I'm hoping that this little video will entice you to want to come and have another look with Crofts. So once again, thank you so much for viewing, and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye now.